Hi and Assalamualaikum. My name is Faiz Emir Mahmud and I am from class 844.
Hi, my name is Dlia Hudawashiffa Shahira Binti Mahadzir. I am from AM015 as well.
Hi, my name is Shevanes. I'm from Report.
Hi, my name is Teoh Jing You. I'm from AM44 also.
Good evening to all my friends. So today we are going to discuss about our mathematics group assignment for part B. So in this discussion, we'll be learning about piecewise function. So piecewise function is a function which is defined by different functions for different intervals. In this question, we'll be learning about the existence of limit between the intervals. So we can continue with Faiz to start
Alright.
the discussion on the question.
Thank you, Shevanes. Okay, thank you, Shevanes, for the introduction. Okay, as we can see, for the first function is called as linear function, where x equal to 7x and x is more and equal to -2, but less than 2. Okay, for the first step, you have to write down limit for the function f(x), x approaches to 1. Okay, then we have to substitute function f(x), so then it turns to limit for the function 7x, x approaches to 1. So then we substitute x approaches to 1 into the function. Then it equals to 7 multiplied by 1, and the answer is 7. So that's for the first function. Now we can continue with Dlia.
Thank you, Faiz, for your explanation. Next, I will discuss with you with the second and third example. The next function we are going to discuss is a quadratic function because it is x squared plus x minus 12 with the interval x greater than equal than 2 and x less than equal to 6. So limits for the function f(x), x approaching to 2, we are going to discuss left hand side and right hand side. So in left hand side, we can calculate limit to the function f(x), x approaching to 2, left hand side. So we write limit 7x, x approaching to 2, left hand side. So we write 7x. So x we substitute with 2. So the answer is 14. And then limit for the function f(x), x approaching to 2, right hand side. So we write because it's right hand side. So we take x squared plus x minus 12. So we substitute the x with 2. So 2 squared plus 2 minus 12. The answer is limit to the function limit to the function x approaching to 2, left hand side is not same. Limit for the function f(x), x approaching to 2 with right hand side. So limit to the function f(x), x into 2 does not exist. So we're moving on to the third example. So as we can see there, for the limit function x equal to 6, so the number line is 6. For the left hand side, we can say we have to take a quadratic function which is x squared plus x minus 12. So we made a calculation. So limits the function f(x), x equal to 6, left hand side. So we write limit x squared plus x minus 12, which is x approaching to 6 in left hand side, so we substitute the x with 6, so it becomes 6 square plus 6 minus 12. The answer is 13. So we look at the 6 in the number line. 6 for the right hand side is function is an absolute function, which is absolute 4 minus x. So we make a calculation. Limit for the function fx x approaching to 6 with right hand side, so it becomes limit absolute 4 minus x. So we substitute the x. 4 minus 6 become negative 2. Negative 2 because it's absolute, so it's 2. So since limit for the function fs x approaching to 6 with left hand side is not same with limit for the function x right hand side, so limit for the function fx x approaching to 6 does not exist.
Okay, thank you, Dlia. Faiz can scroll down, scroll up that.
Yeah. Grow up. All right.
Yes, thank you.
Thank you.
Okay, for the third function is absolute value function 4 minus x with the intervals x is greater than 6 but smaller or equals to 10. So we can refer to the number line. To determine the existence of limits between the intervals I've stated, I've chosen the value of 10. So we can see that for the 10 from left hand side, we can see the function absolute 4 minus x. And from the right hand side, we can see fx is equals to square root x plus 26. Okay, Faiz, can you scroll down?
Sure, Jing You.
Okay, thank you. Okay, to find the existence of limit of fx when x approaches to 10, we have to find the limit of fx when x approaches to 10 from left hand side, and have to find the limit of fx when x approaches to 10 from right hand side. So to find the limit of fx when x approaches to 10 from left hand side, we have to substitute absolute 4 minus x into fx. So we get limit of absolute 4 minus x in 4 minus x when x approaches to 10 from left hand side, and then we substitute 10 into absolute 4 minus x, and then we get absolute negative 6. Because it is absolute value, so the answer must be positive, so the final answer is 6. And to find the limit of fx when x approaches to 10 from right hand side, we have to substitute square root x plus 26 into fx, so we get limit of square root x plus 26 when x approaches 10 from right hand side, and then we substitute 10 into square root x plus 26, we get square root 36, and then the final answer is 6. So due to limit of fx when x approaches 10 from left hand side is equals to a limit of fx when x approaches 10 from right hand side, so we can conclude that limit of fx when x approaches 10 is exists and equals to 6. That's all for third function. The rest one I will pass to Shevanes to explain.
Okay, thank you, Jing You. Faiz, can you please help me to scroll up?
All right.
Okay, so the fourth function is a third function, x plus 26, the interval x more than and equals to 10. So according to the number line, x 10. So I refer to the number line number 12. So the number line shows that x is more than or equals to 10. So I took the function the fx equals to third x plus 26. So Faiz, can you help me scroll down?
Sure.
So the fifth function, limit fx equals to x approaches to 12, and then we have to substitute into the function x plus 26. So the limit x approaches to 12, so we have to substitute 12 into x, so 12 plus 26, you get 38, 38. So the final answer will be 38. Thank you.
All right. That's all from our group presentation. Thank you for your attention. I hope all of you can understand better, but from our presentation, that's all. And thank you and goodbye. Have a good day.
Thank you.